How to report someone on Discord 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to report someone on Discord 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what we can do is to just head over to any browser that you have and search for Discord Help Center. So once you search for that, just click on this Discord support and then click on these three lines up here. Click on submit a request, and once you're in here, please click on this drop down menu and click on trust and safety. Now once you have clicked that, you just need to put in here your email address, and in this another drop down menu, just click this report abuse or harassment. So click on this right here on this box, and then click on this drop down again, and let's click on anything that is applicable. So for example, this is a scam, then click on this scams fraud and prohibit transaction. So in what way you can put in here something like this, and then in this message link just type in the message link that you have copied like this, and then click on the subject right here. So just type in scam on Discord or anything like that, and then after that just put in here a description. Please help me report this account. Then after that you can add attachments, and then once you're done with everything, just click on submit, and it's how process. I hope this video helped you to report someone on Discord 2023. If you have questions or comments, just comment them down below, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.